All right, what is up everyone? And in this video, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to view your current orders on eTrade. If this video helps you guys out, leave a like and comment for the algorithm, but please do not subscribe to me. So we're going to start off on the eTrade website and from the homepage. If you don't know how to get to the homepage, right here where it says eTrade for Morgan Stanley, just click that and you'll be sent to the homepage. Then to see our active orders or to see our past orders, all we're going to do is we are just going to click on orders. And here we can filter it for whatever time of date we want to filter the orders from. You can see executed, canceled, saved, individuals filled, even rejected orders, as well as bond quotes. Yeah, you will just click on your profile, select the time or date you want to filter it by, and then you'll be able to see all your orders here. Of course, this is not the account I'm actively using because I don't want to show my actual stuff, but you will be able to find all of your orders here. Hope this helped you guys out and have a great day.